Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and let's get right into it. So we're gonna do a little quick weekly update like we always do on my brother's account. This account, we have been starting this account probably for almost since November. So basically, the beginning of this year or late last year, we started this account when every stock was down tremendously. I saw a great opportunity. I told my brother, I'm like, this is a good time to start buying some stocks. And that's exactly what my brother did. And this account, it's a bit more structured. There's a more strategy towards it, more than small stock picking. With this account, we usually put about a set amount of money, like dollars per week per stock that we have, and the strategy for this one is just dollar cost averaging. Every single week we put a certain amount. I think we put about $5 every single week towards every single, yeah, $5 every week towards every single stock on ETF that we have, and with the rest we just keep it in cash, just in case we have any downturns, because the market's been doing pretty well. If we've been in the markets since the beginning of this year, you know that most stocks have been crushed all of the past couple years since basically the COVID crash, have been slowly recovering, and stocks like Meta and Tesla also have been wrecked last year, have been recovering nicely. So now with all these stocks going up hundreds of percentages, 50%, 200%, double digit percentage, triple digit percentages, there might be a chance where there might be a correction coming up. Or even if there's and also there have been some worries about recessions coming, so we have quite a bit of cash on side. If you see, we have about $5,000 in cash on the side, which is very good. So if we are prepared for any correction or recession, whatever it may be, to buy on the dip. But let's go over the portfolio, right? Basically, since this account has started late last year, we are up 18%, right? Year to date, 20%, pretty good so far. Would probably be up way more if we had more money invested, but we keep about half the money in cash, $5,100 in cash. And with the cash that we have right now, we have a 4.9% interest with the Robinhood Gold. It's pretty good. All right, let's go over the holdings. The first holding that we have is Ethereum. And this one we have $540 in Ethereum. We're up 24%, $106, $107. Pretty good. For the other account, I also have Ethereum. I want to get about one coin of Ethereum in the other account. But let's go on to the next one. The next one we have here is QQQ. QQQ, we have about $315. We're up 27.8%, $68. ETF that we hold. We have another ETF in this account, and we'll go over that one soon. But next one here, we have Amazon. Amazon, we'll continue to buy Amazon for a long time. We have $433 in Amazon, up 40.87%. $125, very good, very good. Next one, Google. Google, we have $337.30, up 32.27%, $82, very nice. Then the next one we have is Meta, the big gainer. We have $541.38 on this one, up 114.59%, $289. The next one, Tesla, we have $572.31, up 61.22%, $217.31. Then we have Shopify. We have $285. We are up 46.31%, up $90.31. Then we have Palantir. Palantir, we're up 129.88%, up $285, $18.41. I haven't realized how high Palantir has jumped up. Charge Point, we're down 16.4%, 43.47. This is more speculative. Yeah, but I'm saying if Charge Point does survive, it will do very well in the space. Next one we have Nvidia. We have $364.64, up 117.05%, up $196.64. AMD, next one too, we have $254.17 on this one. We're up 37.39%, up $69.17. Then we have another ETF, Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. This one we're in for the dividend. We have a $201.43, up 3.3%, $6.43. We want to build this one up slowly over time to hopefully get some nice dividend payments on this one. And then we have PayPal. We have $336.13, up 15.43%, $44.92. Pretty nice. And that's all for the holdings. So the plan with this account, we're going to continue doing what we're doing, adding $5 every single week to each stock and ETF. And we're going to continue to do that. And whenever we see a nice downturn like we did in the last year, we'll probably add a whole lot more than $5 a week. I'm telling you that right now, since we have quite a bit of a cash position, which is good, and with the cash we're not wasting it. We're still getting almost a 5% interest with Robinhood Gold, which I think that's really good. So we're taking advantage of the market when it's going up, and if the market does turn and go down, we have some ammunition to buy on the hardcore dip, and hopefully take advantage of the recovery whenever that happens. But we will continue to add to the portfolio. We just hit the $10,000 mark. The next goal will be we have to get to 15,000. So let's see how fast we can get to 15,000 in this account. Probably will take hopefully we'll be able to do it by summer of next year. So in 1 year, hopefully we can get to 15,000, if not more than that, depending if we decide to add more funds into the account. If we do decide to add more funds, we'll probably be able to do it faster than that. Maybe we'll be able to hit 15,000 by the end of this year. Just depends. Also, please stay tuned for this week. We have a crazy week ahead of us. I think for this account and for the big portfolio, the bigger portfolio, we have I believe Shopify, there's Shopify, PayPal, and Palantir. Those three are going to be putting up numbers soon. So that's going to be a big one for the other account and this account. Also, Neo has its monthly delivery numbers coming up. I think they should give us our number by Monday or Tuesday. So that's going to be a big driver. And we already know that Neo has been skyrocketing up, basically doubled in like 2 or 3 weeks already. And we're going to see with the Neo number, we're going to see whether or not they surprise. Hopefully they get a number close to 20,000, because if they do hit anything close to 20,000, I believe we might see Neo going to $20 really fast. So stay tuned for that. The other portfolio will probably make a $5,000 move up or down. We're going to see that very soon. I'm very excited to see that. Probably see another big day tomorrow, so be ready for that. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.